What do they work on? I think we get on now.
We know they work on, we don't work.
Okay, don't work.
We don't cook the food finish.
So you don't done.
We don't carry come out, don't serve them. And this kind of food, then we don't serve them small. We carry the pot to give it, make it big.
We
just dropped a new album 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
Most High by Joe Praise. Amazing.
Most High.
Wow.
Most High.
Wow.
You know those kind of album we say you go do finish. Even you go say, you just call Obama. So Obama, how you doing?
Obama was dying. Let me say, Obama, one up, nigga, one up.
Get out of
here. Have you heard that album? Obama can say no. You don't know nothing.
You don't know nothing.
Let me say you something.
I need to meet that guy. Oh my goodness.
Nobody you go meet him. You know what's happen? We go drag and come to you. We drag and come to you.
You don't know nothing.
You don't know and that nothing. If you take a big
Nothing.
You don't know nothing.
Funny enough, the place where you go now, Southie. For a few days. Don't get medical treatment. That's a miracle.
Get out of here. How many songs do your album, I mean?
In Igbo, Seba Pwa. Now,
what do you talk? Lady be this.
I know how to
respect ladies.
I know.
Trainer, man, teacher. You know the respect.
What you be the talk?
No, she asked the question.
How many songs do you have?
How many songs? Yeah.
They disturb me.
Sorry.
No, you don't do the happy by the finish now.
I do.
He can't come out the H. Happy.
And I think it's the happy birthday.
All right, what we did was this album, now 20 tracks we released because now 20 years now be the first time when I sing for church.
Wow.
And we released the online version for iTunes, Google Play Store, Amazon on the 20th of June with my birthday. So we can't do one program, they call them I Testify 100. We can't do an awesome 2020.
Okay.
So the tracks are 20 tracks on the Google Play Store. But for our own Ninja CD we released 2 weeks ago, now 16 tracks there.
Okay.
Awesome.
Wow.
Awesome. Nice.
Wow.
Job.
Where if person want to get this album now, where they go
Yeah, but just ask your vendor for street. Just ask them.
Okay, they will get the album. Now if person want to download one.
I just go iTunes now. Nothing Nigeria. We too like free download.
My brother. Support the ministry.
Support the ministry.
You don't say something when you know sometimes something when you take your money buy 9 days sweet to get.
9 days sweet to get.
If even these night people them come inside your house every day.
Anyway, maybe watch one other video of Joe Praise. Okay. Abigail from Kaduna. Abigail, good evening.
Good evening, Nedu. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you very much, my sister.
You are looking sweet, but this cake will take bath you so.
Can you see him now? You see him?
I wish you long life, prosperity, and many, many children.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Not just your pictures where they show. You get the one where you do like say you want to look like houseboy. For all
now for the ministry.
Adio.
Kasim, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Thank
you. So when I take care of Nedu for me.
Kasim.
Ma?
I say, at any time you want to travel, make you carry easy bit travel for body. Maybe they deal with easy bit well. Allah, they deal with easy bit well. But all the same.
Now because I like them, now make me they deal with them. Thank you, Abigail. Look at the number.
I beg, I want to ask Joe Praise one thing.
Sorry,
I salute.
Joe Praise. I beg, good evening. How you doing?
I do. I salute.
Please, I want to know, where are you from?
Where my mama born me?
I beg, which state you from?
Edo State. Proudly Isha.
Ishan, that is very good though. But I thought all your music now with South Africa.
That's why this one will drop now. Make you go ask them for street. When you hear them,
that is very good.
Thank you very much, ma.
All right. Nedu, I'll come and celebrate birthday with you tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. I got to bye-bye.
Wait, you want to listen to
me?
Hello, good evening, Nedu.
Hey, are you with me?
Nedu, how is you?
Peace, how is you?
My baby, how far?
Hi there, Anna.
How is you? Happy birthday.
Thank you. We got your praise for inside studio.
I'm going to give you my own cakes now.
When you come on Friday, we are going to boogie down in the Lord.
Hey, this is my man now.
I salute.
Girlfriend, my man, now.
Bye. You don't do your man. 2 times now. You want to collect him? Your man. Bye.
No, that's what she means.
She said my man. You go, hey. You know, she talk 2 times so that you go know.
Me say my paddy,
my guy.
You see mark for my face. What for?
We'll suspend this guy.
Hello, good evening. Sly.
Sylvester.
Wait, I said
Sylvester, it's a lot here.
Praise.
Sylvester.
I know they speak in bad. I want to put your praise first.
I sound good evening, no. How we dey?
You
You come from Italy.
this last time you came to Italy. And I hope you are
Come estás?
Bene, too.
Abo Benny.
Benny. Benny.
Your praise.
My brother, I salute
Your
you.
praise.
Yes, sir.
Quando tu vieni? Quando tu vieni?
Poco. No logo that side. Just do it.
Poco, small.
Pata porridge.
Your praise.
I salute
When are you coming back again to Italy?
Okay, go there
We
before.
supposed to come for this September, but it's tight because I get one event that I want to do for. Hey, my first time. My very first live concert is coming up on the 27th of September.
Wow.
And it happened for where music was start for me. So we are taking it back to Benin City.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Nice.
Now for Benin City it will happen.
So
Nice.
I can't come catch you there because last time when you came to Italy, I wasn't around. But I hope that next time you come.
I go come back. No worry. I go come back.
Benny.
Sylvester, today na Nedu birthday. You don't tell him happy birthday.
Sylvester Benny.
Wait, Nedu, happy birthday.
Thank you. Benny, molto bella.
I greet you.
Yes, boss. I agree, Baba. Good evening.
So,
Bye, Benny.
Benny, bye-bye. What's bye-bye in that language?
You talk bye.
Bye.
Molto bella baba.
ciao.
Ciao. I don't forget on my.
Ciao.
Bella.
Ciao.
Molto bella. I can speak that Italy language before. I just stop him because if I begin to speak out too much, people will not know. No go feed.
They'll come confused.
So I just say make I just keep. You see this thing when you just tell you say Benny. I know. I don't just want to tell you. No, I know. You see, I don't just want to tell you. You see, if person there say Alpha, they say Benny. Then if you want to say where you there, it says Mutu Shalaka Benny. Oh God. You see, I don't just want to show myself.
I know the crisis that
I don't just like to show myself.
I will carry my boss come next time they come here.
Tell us about the 27th of September.
Beautiful.
Wow.
You know, say most time people know they understand how this thing they work. No forget where you for start. Never forget. So we are going back to Benin City.
In fact, I want to do event. I don't think that thing to do event for Kaduna, where I start from.
Yes, you need no seriously.
I need to go back
because
to Kaduna
when
and
you
do one
go there,
event.
you go encourage the people who even there for those places. Because all of us want to do event for Lagos. We want to do for Port Harcourt.
Not
We
true,
want to do
not
for
true.
Abuja. You know,
Nobody go know where you're from. Maybe
you
some
understand?
people.
So that you go
fear
there,
to
let them
go-
know say, now here I start to. So that those way they there, go fit there encourage.
Oscar.
If this guy feel
My brother, that thing can only work to say you know thief for where you from come. If you thief or you do bad thing,
Don't go there.
if you think you know what go back.
who can you cannot go back.
So which you not only you go in concert, but other people go there.
That program is we call it Jopre's Life in Concert. I
Okay.
testify 1,000.
Okay.
It pass music, not be just it's something deeper. Something deeper. You know, I do gospel music.
Yeah.
The different with gospel music and do the kind of music we say we carry atmosphere.
Oscar.
There's an
Oscar now.
Just continue.
we carry atmosphere when we say if we change somebody's life.
I believe you.
In other
Really
words,
so.
you go carry oxygen go. In case oxygen finish,
You don't hear that Jopre is great God.
That's why I
Mighty
say
God.
we
Oh,
go carry
God.
oxygen
I
go.
better play that song. We
In
don't get
case-
time. We don't come up for inside studio. Now make those who
case-
want follow you.
On
Those
Twitter.
who want follow you on top
On
in
Twitter,
social media.
Instagram.
Check it out. My website, jopraise.com. I'm Twitter at Jopraise. Instagram, Jopraise the Emperor. So we'll get Empire. I mean the Emperor.
Okay, over.
That's all.
Jopre, you go still come back to this show because we'll not talk.
No wahala.
We'll not
No,
play that song
Where it go favor am.
next week.
No, I know the time. I dey travel tomorrow, no mess.
Where did they come back?
As the deep ends for waters, my soul longs for you. In the morning, in the night time, I give you all the praise. In everything
quickly, thank you. Then another wonderful song from Joe Praise. Play that one while I like. This is my best Joe Praise song. Be this play.
Oh, yes. That's worship. Jesus.
Now they always play inside the studio.
Jesus. I will speak of your glory. I will show.
Perform. Why mic? Give her mic.
You know say.
I got it.
Hey, you know there.
You know say.
Give me that one. No, don't want this one.
You know say. You also like
Hey, see this? Let's wait on.
If I dance it to
Now will be your backup choir. Backup. Okay,
so. For you are the great and mighty King. You rule in every nation. Oh Christ. You are worth. Do this. Pray. Do this. You are Alpha and Omega. I worship you today. In you I put in my see my Copolo. Your name. Heaven speaks of your glory. And the ends of your beauty. Lord, it's new every morning. Hey, your faithfulness. Let's go. I say heaven speaks of your glory. And the ends of your beauty. Your love is new every morning. And your faithfulness is ever sure. You are the great and mighty God. Surrounded to the praise. Your beautiful situation. You are the joy of the whole world. You are the great and mighty God. Surrounded to the praise. Your beautiful situation. Oh, you need your body too.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.